class 8th. I am a student of Tagore Public School. In this video, I am going to show you the different zones of a candle flame. So can you see this candle? The black color represent the innermost zone of a candle flame. Here the combustion is not started and this is the least hot part of the candle flame. The bright yellow color represents the middle zone of a candle flame. Here the combustion is partially completed and it is moderately hot. The blue color represents the outer zone of a candle flame. Here the combustion is completed and the blue color is the hottest part of the candle flame.
Good morning, everyone. I am Dipanshu Rawal from grade 6 is going to do an activity on the method of evaporation. If we will do this activity, the extra water will evaporate and come into the poly. As you can see, the water droplets. So, the water through small pores on the leaf surface is released to the atmosphere, and this process is called transpiration.
My name is Shaurik Wak. I study in class 4. My school's name is Tagore Public School. Today we are going to do two activities. The first activity is we have to solve this 9 dots with 4 straight lines. So this is our first line, this is our second line, this is our third line, and this is our fourth line. So the second activity is this. So in this activity too, we have to count the number of triangles in this picture. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16. 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26 and this 27. So in this picture there are 27.
Of the day to you all. Myself Tanisha and I study in grade 7. My school name is Tagore Public School. Today I am doing one activity, heat conduction science activity. So let's start. So for this activity we will need butter, spoon, plastic spoon, metal spoon and hot water. So let's start our activity. Now we will grab bit of butter with the handle tip. And now we will take a hot water and pour it into a bowl. And now wait for a time and then see what happened to the butter. Do you see how butter on metal spoon started to melt? And on plastic spoon butter is still in solid state. That's because the metal is much better heat conductor than plastic. So this was my activity. Thank you.
My name is Vikas Sajwan. I read in class 6. This is my science activity. Take two transparent glasses. One is having water and another soil. Now prepare a mixture of water, soil. Put some spoon of soil in water and with the help of a spoon mix it well. After mixing it well, keep it undisturbed for some time, for few minutes. Watch it after some time. You will find that the mud particles have settled to the bottom of the breaker, and there is a separate layer of mud and water. Here this soil is called sediment, and this process is called sedimentation. After this, take another glass, slowly pour the clear liquid into the breaker. Doing you can separate clear water from sediment, and this process is called decantation. After decantation, still the water contain some harmful substance or impurities. For this, take cotton cloth and one transparent glass. Pour the liquid through the cloth. You will see impurities get stopped above the cloth, and this process of separation is called filtration, in which